Hey everyone! Welcome back to AILOVA HOTPOT. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more cooking recipe. Today, we're making a super easy and delicious Indian sweet, Coconut Ladoo. These melt in your mouth treats require just a few ingredients and are perfect for festivals, celebrations, or just satisfying your sweet cravings. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups grated coconut, fresh or desiccated, 1 cup condensed milk, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon ghee, clarified butter, optional, chopped nuts, saffron strands, or rose petals for garnish. You'll need just 4 main ingredients for this recipe. If you're using desiccated coconut, make sure it's unsweetened. Fresh coconut gives the best flavor, though. Step 1. Roast the coconut. First, heat a pan on low-medium flame and add 1 tablespoon ghee. Once it melts, add the grated coconut. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes, until it turns slightly aromatic. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Step 2. Add condensed milk. Now, lower the flame and pour in 1 cup condensed milk. Mix well so the coconut absorbs the sweetness. Keep stirring for 4 to 5 minutes, until the mixture thickens and starts leaving the sides of the pan. Step 3. Flavor it up. Time for flavor. Add 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder for that classic Indian mithai taste. You can also add saffron or nuts if you like. Step 4. Shape into laddoos. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Grease your hands with ghee, take small portions, and roll them into smooth balls. If the mix is sticky, wet your hands lightly. Step 5. Garnish and serve. For extra texture, roll the laddoos in more grated coconut or crushed nuts. Let them set for 10 to 15 minutes, and they're ready to enjoy. And that's it. Easy coconut laddoos in under 15 minutes. These are great for Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, or any sweet occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick recipes. Comment below if you'd like a baked version.